little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we have something extra special planned. We're going to draw a magical rainbow star together. Are you ready for a colorful adventure? Let's dive in. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First things first, grab your pencils, and let's make a rough sketch. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just have fun making a big star shape in the center of your page. Now, let's switch to our trusty black marker. Outline that star shape you just drew. Make it bold and sharp. This is going to be the canvas for our vibrant masterpiece. Time to add some pizzazz. Draw random circle shapes all around the star. Let your imagination run wild. This is where the magic happens, little artists. Now, let's give our star some structure. Draw 5 wavy lines to divide it into 6 parts. Doesn't it already look amazing? You are doing fantastic! And now, the most exciting part, coloring. Let's bring this rainbow star to life. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Cool! Purple color. Red color. Yellow color. Blue color. Green color. Orange color. have it, little artists! Our rainbow star is complete, bursting with colors and creativity. I hope you enjoyed this colorful journey with me today. Keep drawing, keep creating, and I can't wait to see you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.